وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. تكبير تكبير تكبير. I testify there is none worthy of worship except Allah. He is the only one and He has no partner. Again I testify Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his slave and last and final messenger. I testify also Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and all the rest of the prophets and messengers are the slave and messengers and prophet of Allah. All those rest of the prophets and messengers, and the slaves and prophet and messenger of Allah. Takbir. Takbir. Okay, very short time because second Jama, inshallah, if you can introduce very quickly.
My name is Nathan, police officer here, door open. What should I say?
Right now, you're all, what we can say that all his brother Nathan's, his